Well, tomorrow, the trial begins in the murder of 14-year-old Ryan Rogers, a Palm Beach Gardens teen who was killed 4 years ago. It rocked the South Florida community. The state has charged this man, Semi Williams, a homeless drifter from Miami, with the killing.
Williams' attorneys are prepared to argue that he was insane. Investigative reporter Terry Parker has been covering this case since it started and is here now with a look back and a preview of what will happen in court. Terry?
Right, Semi Williams has been found competent to stand trial, and he will be in that courtroom tomorrow to face the jury for an attack that not only took Ryan Rogers' life, but frightened the community for weeks. Police calling the attack on Ryan Rogers an absolutely random but deadly encounter the night of November 15th, 2021. Ryan had gone on an after-dinner bike ride but never came home. Prosecutors say Semi Williams, a homeless drifter from Miami, came across the boy on Central Boulevard and stabbed him to death. His defense? Insanity.
Mental health will obviously be the elephant in the room, but just because you have mental health issues doesn't mean you're legally insane.
Dave Ehrenberg was Palm Beach County State Attorney when his office charged Williams with murder just over 4 years ago. He says when defense attorneys use an insanity defense, they are admitting their client is guilty of committing the crime, but that he shouldn't be held responsible.
When you pursue an insanity defense, you're not questioning whether your client did it. You're just questioning whether he knew the difference between right and wrong. That's the standard. So you can be mentally ill and not meet the standard of insanity.
Williams has a lengthy history of violence and mental issues. In 2016, he spent 2 years in a psychiatric facility in Georgia after randomly attacking a 65-year-old man there. Before Ryan's attack, Williams was posting paranoid videos on YouTube, claiming people were out to get him. However, Ehrenberg says to prove insanity is a high burden and rarely successful.
You have to show that literally the person was so out of their mind that they couldn't tell that what they did was a crime. And the way you disprove that is to show the actions afterwards. Did they try to evade police? Did they try to hide evidence? Did they try to cover their tracks? Did they lie to police afterwards? That's the kind of conduct that's inconsistent with someone who didn't know the difference between right and wrong.
The judge has agreed Williams has an intellectual disability, so he can't face the death penalty. And Tiffany Felicia, coming up in my investigation tonight at 6, while Palm Beach Gardens police were trying to track down a killer, did they adequately warn the community? I'll have that look back all new tonight at 6.
And Terry, as you mentioned, jury selection starts tomorrow, and you're going to be in the courtroom every day of the trial.
Absolutely, from start to finish. And I'll be posting real-time updates from the courtroom in our blog that will be on our website. We're also streaming the trial in its entirety on WPBF.com, YouTube, and Very Local. And we will see you then.